Now we will generate SSL using this CSR file. Okay, so how to do that? So for this demo, I'll be using a free SSL. Okay, ssl4free.com. And the SSL generated for free can be used for 3 months, and after every 3 months we need to renew that. Okay, but generally the time frame for SSL is minimum 365 days or 1 year to 3 years. So log in to SSL for free, or you can register if you don't have account. So okay, so there is no any certificate as of now. We need to generate a new certificate. Okay, make sure you have CSR file generated already. Now we will click on new certificate. So this is not wildcard certificate, so that's why I'll make it not selected this. Wildcard certificate is like, suppose you have a domain name amchannel.in, and below that you have multiple subdomains like youtube.amchannel.in, blog.amchannel.in, suppose signin.amchannel.in, any other applications on same domain. So for that, you can also generate only one SSL certificate, and for that you will use common name as star.amchannel.in, and star means anything that comes before the domain name. Okay, and you can use that SSL for every domain that you have under the amchannel.in. Okay, so we will mention the name of our domain here as youtube.amchannel.in. Okay, so now click on next step, and here also you can see for 1 year certificate we need the pro premium feature. Okay, so I'll select a 90-day certificate. There is no any difference between these two, but only the certificate will expire in 90 days. That we are generating right now is free SSL certificate, and it will expire in 90 days. If you want more than that, or another time frame is for 1 year, and for generating this, we will need pro feature. Or if you are purchasing this SSL from any other SSL vendor like Digital, SSL Store, or any other vendor, you don't have this option to select year, but uh, that may be available before initiating this process. Okay, and that payment was also according to your time frame of your SSL certificate. So click on next. So we don't want to auto generate CSR. Okay, we have our CSR, and we need to click paste existing CSR. And what we will do is we will copy this, all the content, Control A, Control C, and we will paste all the content in this text box. Okay, click on next step again. So we have selected free. Click on next step again here. Now your certificate has been created and is ready for domain verification. Okay. Now for generating SSL certificate, we need to verify our domain. Okay. So that verification method should be anything that may be done from your email or by adding DNS entry or by uploading an HTTP file to our server. Okay. So we will use HTTP file method because we have access directly of our server. Okay. And we will download the file from here and we'll access that file. It will actually, this SSL vendor will directly try to access that file, and after successfully accessing that file, it will successfully verify our domain and we can download the SSL certificate from there. Okay. So we will download auth file. Actually, we need to create one dot well-known and PKI validation, two directories, and then there we need to paste this file. Okay. So okay, make sure you are creating the correct directories. Dot well-known / PKI dash validation. And paste that file here. Okay. Now click on next step. Now click on verify domain. It is saying congratulations, your domains have been verified. This means that our system is issuing your certificate at the moment. Okay. So actually this verification method is for allowing to generate the SSL only for the domains that you own. Okay. So no one will generate SSL for another domain that you don't own. Okay. Now download this zip file. Okay. After downloading this zip, we will get some files in this zip folder. Okay. We'll extract this. So we have .crt files here. One is CA bundle and another is certificate. Okay. So both the files we required at the time of installing SSL. There might be some another extension for your SSL certificate that may be .cer or anything would be that. Okay. So after downloading our SSL, we will see how to install this SSL on our Windows server. Okay.